We have workshops related with the AI disruptive technologies, because that's very, very important in distance and education learning. So we learn the new technologies, our participants learn the new technologies which can be used in the open learning system. As well as there are, like traditionally we used to provide students the self-learning material, but writing self-learning material is also very, very important. So this self-learning material workshop, how to prepare effective self-learning material, that is also important. Then it is also very important that the students should be engaged, because in regular mode the students are there for almost 4 months, many hours along with the teacher. Now here the teacher is virtually present and sometimes interacting directly also. So learners engagement in teaching learning process, that is also very important. So there is one workshop on that also. And then finally the assessment is very important. Authentic assessment in open distance and digital learning is very, very important, so that we give the clear picture that how much student has learned. It's not just giving away degrees, but actual skilling, actual knowledge. So that's important. So all these 4 workshops are very, very important.
Okay, ma'am. But like, I want to ask, like, which one is your favorite or something like in which you are more interested?
It's the student learning engagement. So when the students, we have trained faculty or trained counselors who can engage students either virtually or in person or through their writing works. So that is very, very important. So all these 3 workshops culminate into that, where the student engagement is very important.